New tonight here at 10, searching for solutions to reduce the risk of flooding. That is the goal for the Neches Regional Flood Planning Group. Leaders met with residents tonight to learn more about what areas face the highest risk. These surveys were set up for students and residents to either put their information in on a map or take a survey to talk about their past flooding experiences. The planners say they're going to take the data that they collect and incorporate it eventually into the state flood plan.
Outreach like this is to get public input so that this becomes a ground level grassroots effort to improve our neighborhoods, our communities, our homes, and not a central government planning issue being pushed down from Austin.
The planning committee says they want to get as much community feedback as possible, and if you missed tonight's meeting, you can still take the survey. NechesFloodPlanning.org is the website. We'll link you to it on our app.